Welcome to the Nuclear Weapon Free Zones Hub. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the hub. The hub has three main features. First, a map of all existing nuclear weapon free zones, including Tataloko, Rarotonga, Bangkok, Pelindaba, and Central Asia, as well as Mongolia's nuclear weapon free status. Click or hover over any colored region to open a second map showing the treaty signature and ratification status by regional and extra-regional states. You can always get back to the initial map by pressing the All Treaties button. The second feature of the hub is the profile pages for all the zone treaties. Each profile provides an overview of the zone, information about membership, including state signature and ratification dates. It also provides an easily navigable treaty text. Declarations made by regional states when signing or ratifying the treaty, and any reservations or clarifying statements made by extra-regional states when signing or ratifying related protocols. The third feature of the hub is the comparison tool. This tool's key feature is its side-by-side comparison, helping users understand similarities and differences across zones. It explores nuances, highlights historical evolution, and shows region-specific issues. This function categorizes zone treaties into main and subcategories, creating a useful framework for comparing issues across zones. You can easily see how each of the 5 regional zones addresses specific issues. And in each subcategory, you can scroll to see the rest of the treaties, read the whole article, and click on the article's name to get the full text of that article in the treaty itself. Using the comparison tool, you can also search for a specific word or phrase across the treaties, select which specific zones you want to take a closer look at, and reorder them to set up the comparison that works best for you. You can always go back to the default order by pressing the Reset filter. The hub is open to users' updates and improvements. These can be submitted through the Contact Us form. The Nuclear Weapon Free Zones Hub supports negotiators, officials, decision makers, international and regional organizations, researchers, and other relevant stakeholders.